USA, USA, USA. Today we have the World Cup hamburger. This is the United States hamburger. It's made of chicken, there's pickles, there's barbecue, bacon, and cheddar on it. Wow. Oi, oi. Yes, pickles. Usually Brazilians don't like pickles. Me neither, but it's okay. Oh. No. It's very good, very crispy. It's very sweet. My cat was over there looking at me, staring at my phone. My sister's like holding the cat right now. I think this one is the best McDonald's meal I ever had. The cheese is like melted into the sandwich chicken, and the barbecue is like on every part of the sandwich. Oof, there's something very hard on the crispy. Oh, okay, it's fine. So, first I went to Alecão. They sell some weird ass hot dogs in Brazil in a place named Osasco. Osasco is where all the best hot dogs are made in Brazil, as known as the city of hot dogs. And there is a shop that sells sushi hot dogs. So there's no raw fish on it. It instead has like some Japanese themed jokes as for the names of the thing, and the place is like really cool. As far as the lunch I had was a bacon hot dog with lettuce, I think was Pringles or Doritos, and there was also a bit of ranch. There's salad and then 2 sausages. It's very good. I also like the mayo on it. I recommend people try it out because it's a very different kind of hot dog. The hot dog was not boiled in water. It was instead made in a frying thing. As for the other one I had, it was the Sushidog. The Sushidog had the sushi alga on it, around it. There was the bread under it, and there's another salad and 2 pieces of sausage as well. It's very good. It tastes better than it looks, and it's very tasty. And it had some Pringles inside it as well. Very good, very crunchy. I would recommend you to try to eat your next sausage with alga and a mayo. Yeah, very good.